Omizano y'empaka za Western Volleyball League ey'Abashema High School basinga harimo gwa St Mary's Girls Vocational Secondary School eibateera habwo bushatu hari 0 kandi abagumizamo okutera Bishop Stuart University nobwo babushatu ahari kamwe. Shema High School yagaruka yasinga Apple Dental Mamas nobwo babushatu hari 0 okuhendera weekend yabo yona batasingirwe mu muzano gona
tubarisaba na ufuna exposure manu ko kora winage kimayisa ngo bafuna exposure y'amani kandi tuhamya ngo mu games zizakora cyo maza kuma performing aje kugira ngo ufuna exposure bakoze mu USSA World Games 1 Championship under 16 performing aje munonga.
Emizane ndije yazanwa Bishop Stuart University ya Honda Apple Dental Mamas nobwo babushatu hari 0 kandi yo St Mary's Girls Vocational Secondary School yatera timu ya Apple Dental Mamas nobwo babushatu hari 0.
Gitwe ka Bishop Stuart kwa gutwe twari ko mu universities etwe twapa mu nderaje kandi wangamanya ngo inamani mingi kugira ngo abana ba secondary English clubs zo mu Western League za kustera hands down ukaizo baje supply kandi mu kugenda abicho Bashema Girls batera ko kushaka kamwe
timu kuyabeneza ne miliyoni improving tulionto improving mu rushimwe senta yagezo kutereza reception yaterera defense yacu timba nebura mukonka as of now yabasa kutereza win.
Nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agacenchire.